Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming your device and OS support low power mode. This avoids wasted steps. Once confirmed, open Settings and tap Battery. Make sure you know which trigger you want: a battery percentage threshold, a time of day, or a focus/automation event. You're preparing the inputs so the automation can run reliably. Once done, keep Settings open and move to creating an automation in Shortcuts or the built-in automation area to link your trigger to low power mode. Now create the actual automation. Open Shortcuts and tap Automation, then create Personal Automation. Choose your trigger. Battery percentage works well. Set the number where you want power savings to start. Next, add an action and search for Set Low Power Mode. Pick Turn On. If you want it to revert, add a paired automation to turn it off at a threshold or event. Make sure the automation asks no confirmation by disabling Ask before running so it runs automatically. Finish by testing the automation manually to confirm low power mode toggles as expected. Once verified, ensure Ask before running is off so it executes without prompts. If it doesn't trigger, reboot the device and recheck automation permissions and focus/do not disturb interactions that may block actions. Also verify battery percentage trigger values and that no conflicting automations are running. If problems persist, delete and recreate the automation. This often results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.